Oh, hi, I hadn't seen it. My name's Franco Viscardo, and I'm here to talk to you about something we like to call marine biology. As you can see, I dance with the dolphins. I've been through the rafts. I've been through the oceans, and many more. See, there's many things in our exploration program of today that I need to know. Thank you. So, right now, let me introduce you. We're gonna dive into 3 topics today. 3 topics that I know how people go. So, let me go ahead. And let's dive into our next scenario. And we're back. Our first topic is ocean exploration. And this first mural that we have here, it depicts one of the first travelers that we know and documented sometimes of their own explorations, who we know as pirates. As my elementary teacher used to say,
in 1942, Columbus sailed the ocean blue.
That he did. I mean, he may not have discovered the United States, but the pirates sure did discover something, an island we know today as Tortuga. Many different species were actually found there that rely on our oceans of today. And it's a very tropical nature that needs this to survive. Our second mural we have here portrays the greatness of our reefs and an amazing animal we know. When you think of the ocean beacon, what animals do you usually think of?
I think of the king of the oceans, the shark.
That's great you said that, because right here we're portraying a nurse shark that is very typical living by the reefs of tropical areas that we know. For example, down in the Keys, you'll see a lot of this if you go down diving. But there's no need to fear. Most are scared when they see a shark, but its natural prey isn't meat. It isn't fish, and it isn't us. It is plankton and other small things that cover this reef and protect it. Right here, the reef is just amazing here because it portrays perfect ecosystems, the way it balances between the fish and itself. The fish go for shelter and for food. They eat the algae that sometimes covers the reefs on the sides and off the top. And while the reef provides shelter for them, food for them, and as well as places to cover and hide and to spawn their own, start their own families. And our third and last mural we have here is portraying something you find all the time in the ocean and at beaches. It is something we like to call
Shells.
Beacon. What are shells made out of?
Shells are made out of exoskeletons that come from snails, clams, and oysters.
And what is their main component?
Well, if I do may add, it is calcium carbonate, CaCO3.
Wow. And what else is made out of that exoskeleton? It's a crucial part of our ocean's ecosystem.
Well, it is our coral reefs.
And Beacon, what is happening to our coral reefs?
Every second you drink a glass of water, another coral reef dies. And it's really sad because you see this? Every time you purchase one of these fishing lines, you could actually save one of these coral reefs, because every time you find a fish, there's already 6 other fish attached to this one line. You could be saving lives if you purchase all of these fishing lines from your nearby Sports Authority or Dick's Sporting Goods. So if you act now, you could buy and purchase one of these fishing lines. Because if they don't have any fishing lines to save, we'll be saving our ecosystem, all the sharks, fish, and even Finding Nemo. Make sure to go watch Finding Dory.